kids. Today we learn ABC. First of all, we learn some colors name. Sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, sea green color, light green color, red color, purple color, brown color, dark green color, orange color, white color, black color, light pink color, blue color, orange color. A for aeroplane, yellow color. B for bag, red color. C for cat, light green color. D for dog, pink color. E for elephant, sky blue color. F for fish, blue color. G for giraffe. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jug. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sky. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wrist. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo.
Wow!
Let's revise. A, B, C, D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's pack the colors. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.